Buenos dias.
Oh, good morning. That's what I say, buenos dias.
Oh, good morning, folks.
Buenos dias.
Hey, how to get your extra kilometres in on the Camino. Just leave your camera behind every now and then. Heading towards Grañon, about 22 kilometres. It's be a little bit cooler today, but we seem to be dodging all the thunder and lightning storms and clouds there's a whole lot back there.
If we watch long enough, we might get some more lightning. But it's been quite spectacular, that is, to watch the lightning at a nice safe distance.
Yeah.
But that means it's humid again. My glasses are fogging up. So we're moving into more open farmland, cereal crops, although this time around like freshly tilled fields. Nice gradient.
Yep.
Well, completely flat, but there's some soft ups and downs we've got ahead of us today, but that's all.
They're described as undulating.
Yeah, gently undulating. Like me. Hundreds and hundreds of sunflowers, all finished, bowing their head down to the sunrise. This town is coming like a ghost town.
Oh, there's someone actually in that one. Yes, last time we walked through here, it was just us.
Yeah.
There was no other pilgrims. There was no signs of life at all.
Felt like the apocalypse had happened. Still strange place.
I really recommend this place. Great little bocadillas. Coffee is excellent, and one of the best toilets we've had.
You know what's going on with Alex here? She's got the last 2 kilometer blues. The last 2 kilometer blues. From her sweaty head to her stinking shoes. She's got the last 2 kilometer blues.
And this, hopefully, is our accommodation tonight. It's a Donativo, it's a donation place, and there's a very good communal meal here. So we'll see how we go.
Necesitamos más cebolla entonces.
That's just what I need, more bread. Yeah.
Just doing a little bit of video there because it's just so peaceful here at the moment. No wind. It's a beautiful 16 degrees. Little rooster's having a go over there in the corner. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Nice gentle little slope. But then I look at the screen on the back of the GoPro and it's just black. Well, can we see Kath? Oh yeah, I can just see your pack because it's high vis. Anyway, it's yeah, it's quite peaceful here. Good medium-sized day today. 16k into Belorado. Belorado.
This whole thing's going to be full of me correcting the way you say the name and then probably still saying it wrong myself. Our apologies.
A little bit overcast today. Had a little sprinkle of shower, hence the fashion. 12. Oh, and there's Alex. Catching up.
Got you. No stalks.
Yeah, see the road runs down there. Don't know if you can see it on here, and then it goes back up that way to the distance, but I can see pilgrims all the way along, dotted different spots. Hello. Hi. Thank you. Finally, I've got a man who will bring me my camera back. Thanks, mate. There's Alex in the background. Ooh.
Dorms, so not all the dorms were like the the place itself is really
Santiago. Now I've come out after dinner, bit of a steep climb. Found this little hill to walk up out the back of the town, and there's some ruins up there. The information sign is in Spanish, and the only Spanish I really know is how to order a coffee. This was Belorado Castle, probably built in early 9th century as a fortress defending against the Muslims, and later was given as a dowry to El Cid. Sun's just starting to set. Beautiful. Yeah, another short little, not too short little, let's redo that.
You love saying little.
Yeah, I don't know. Get away from that. Good medium-sized day today.